Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you a TJ Maxx mini haul. I got a couple of things from TJ Maxx. One of the things was from Saturday, like last Saturday, and then the other things I got was from today, the Thursday 22nd. So if you're watching this like another day later on, I shopped around those days. And so yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I got, just so that way if they're helpful for you in the long run and you're just wanting a couple makeup bags and you don't know what to get, or you're just trying to find a dupe for something that's a little bit more expensive and you just want to find something more cheap, then I found those two. Most of the things that I got are kind of similar things that you could find at Ulta, on the Sigma website. One thing I got was from Anastasia, and it's the actual Anastasia product. I don't know if you guys been seeing, but a lot of Anastasia products have been coming in the shipment for TJ Maxx and for Marshalls. And I've been going to different TJ Maxx here and there in the different Houston area, and I've just been trying to hunt these down because I've been seeing a lot of videos that they've just been getting the lip glosses, the liquid lipsticks. I've been finding the highlight palettes, the glow kits, but it's just been hard. Like, I tried to get a Anastasia Aurora glow kit, and I wanted it, but it was all shattered. It was completely shattered, and there was just no, and one of the color pans was missing, so it was just like, it was not worthy of like buying it. So yeah, so that's some of the stuff that I found. If you want to get to know on some of the dupes that I found, then just keep on watching. All right, so first and foremost, what I'm going to show you guys is let's see, let me get out right here. So this right here is the makeup bag. Let's see, let me get the ticket price because I already used it for today. I had to work on somebody's makeup today, and I had to use the bag. I wanted to save it for the haul, but I had to work on somebody's makeup for today and I had to use this. But it says that it compares at $24, but the sale price of the ticket is $14.99, which I think is not bad. And it says here, like, it usually retails at another store for $40, which I think is true, because at Ulta I've tried to get like different makeup bags, even when they were on sale. When they had a sale at one point, Ulta had like this 30% off on makeup organizers and bags, and it's just, I mean, it was just too expensive. I didn't end up getting anything. So I came across this one, and it looks so much like the one that I wanted from Ulta. And Ulta has this brand, they did this collaboration with Dulce Candy. I don't know if you guys know her. I'm pretty sure you do. She's one of the famous YouTube stars, and she did a collaboration with Ulta Beauty, doing the like designing the makeup bags and makeup organizers. The bags that you could put your toiletries when you go out to travel, and stuff like that. Like some that look like little pencil cases, but they're not. You put like little perfume bottles in it and stuff like that. And this one is kind of like the dupe that they came out with. Hers is a little bit different, that she designed. Like, instead of this being mostly purple and fuchsia, like this is like purple, and then it's like fuchsia coming out of it. It's like similar, but it's different. It's not the exact dupe, but like you can tell the print itself, it's like the same, and the colors that they used here, and the colors that it has in her that it has in her like prints in her bags, like the collaboration that she did. It has more or less like the same. I'm gonna show you guys, like it already has some of my stuff in here, but I'm gonna show you guys like what you can use it for. Me personally, I'm using it right now to carry some of my brushes, like if you know, if I'm just doing like a small client or anything like that. If I'm just doing like one client, or you know, I just I'm going on a trip or something, you know, and I want to bring a lot of my makeup and I don't know what I want to bring, then I'm gonna start using this bag too for it. And right now what I packed in here is, like, you can see the brushes are all out, but let me take this out. So what it has in here is like it has like little like straps across, and you could put, I used it to put my brushes in, you know. And if you want to use it like for toiletries or anything like that, you can always like put your toothbrush here, put like your thin tube of toothpaste here. Like you can use it for anything. And you can always put like your contact lenses here. It comes with a zipper here on the top because it has two compartments, one on the top and then one in the bottom. I'm going to show you the bottom. The bottom has no dividers, but it has a lot of space. Like here, I put my business cards. I put some Q-tips, some mascara wands when I'm doing the client's mascara. But there, I mean, you can literally use this for everything. Like whenever you're going to travel, you know. And then right here on the bottom, it's just a lot of space. I'm gonna link down below the not the dupe for this, because I don't think TJ Maxx will have a link, but I will link down below what the original product is supposed to be, if that makes sense. So I'll link down below the dupe, the $40 one from Ulta to the dupe of this. So I mean, it's similar. It's different, but it's similar, if that makes sense. And you guys see when I put the link down below of what the Ulta one looks like. I don't know if you guys haven't seen it. So if you look at it right here, like I literally put like everything. I put the powders, the blushes, some of my highlight, contouring powders, concealers, foundations, like my makeup remover wipes, two eyeshadow palettes. Like I literally stuffed all of that into here. Like it has no dividers. I want to buy some dividers from like Amazon or the makeup store, but I believe like if I can buy 2 small dividers, that it'll help me pack even more. But I was so surprised to what this cost me, and it only cost me $14.99, and usually at Ulta like you get this for $40. So I think this is good. And then separately, I found this. That one I got on Saturday, and then this one I got today. I wanted to wait to get the other set compartments, if that makes sense. I wanted to wait until I got paid again, and I just wanted to wait on it and see how I liked that one. And if I told myself if I like that one, then I can get the other little bags that I saw. And this one is the same print. It's from the same brand. This one I got from Marshalls, but Marshalls and TJ Maxx are the same. And this one, if you see right here, it retails for $42 at a regular store. And then it's from Marshalls, and then it's Compare at $24, and then the price came to $14.99, and then with tax it was like 15 or 16. No, lying. 16 or $17. I don't know. You can do the math. But this one, you open it up, and it's more for like the toiletries, I think. But this one, I'm gonna use the same, you know, like here's the wrapping paper. Like it's so pretty. Like I love the purple. And it's from the same brand. The brand that it says here that's from TJ Maxx is Kestrel. Let me zoom it to where you can see. See? So this one is like, it's the same. This is a wrapping paper. There's no dividers or anything like that. But I like it because, like, you know, you can put like if I wanted to use this for my skincare bag, like if I'm gonna do a facial on a client, or you know, you want to put your skincare stuff and you're gonna travel somewhere. You know, this is what I'm going to use. You know, put my cleansers, my body wash, my shampoo and conditioner, like you name it. Like there's a whole bunch of space here. You can put anything in here. The same thing goes for here. You know, like there's just so much space. Like if you carry a lot of bottles like I do, like I carry a lot of bottles when I travel, I'm going to put these in here because these will carry so much space. And this one came out to about the same price, $14.99, and it's so cute. I love the purple. It's just so cute. I love the colors, fuchsia, red, and yeah. So the next thing that I'm gonna be talking about is this one I got from TJ Maxx. It compares at $7. And it says it retails for $4.99. Sorry. This one is, I think, the dupe for the Sigma cleansing mat. I don't know if I'm pretty sure that some of you guys have seen the Sigma cleansing brush mat, but this one is like the exact dupe. Like, oh man, I didn't get scissors. But basically, you know, in the Sigma cleansing mat, it has different spaces for different things. Like if you want to deep cleanse it and refine the brush, like it has those indents. Like, you know, this one is for the face brush rinse, like face brush cleanse. I guess, you know, it goes by cleansing, scrubbing, and then the rinse, the scrub again, the rinse. Like for eye brush, like for different types of the brushes are the different areas. And this one, you just suction it inside of the sink, and you know, you grab the brushes and you rinse the bristles, and then you just add the brush shampoo and you clean it basically. And this one's basically the same thing as the Sigma cleansing mat. If you don't want to spend, I think the other one is about $15 to $20. I'm not sure, I may be wrong, but again, I'll list the original product down below and also the dupe product next to it, so you guys can see. And this one cost me $4.99, and I'll let you guys know how that one works. So the next product I'm going to be talking about, this is no dupe. As you can see, I got my hands on the lip palette. I had been wanting this for a while, but I was a little kind of on the edge because I just didn't know if, you know, if it was worth getting the lip palette. And now that I'm going to be working with, you know, more people and things like that. And also, I wanted to experience and expand myself on more lip colors. I'm a person, like, I love to work with eyeshadow and highlight and all that. But sometimes, like, I feel like I don't have enough of lipsticks or lip colors and of the different lips that I'm working with. So I feel like if I want to experience with color, that I just, you know what, it was the perfect time to get the lip palette and volume 1. And it was just I had to get it. And as you know, like, it compares at $42 at Sephora, usually a little bit more, you know, with tax or whatnot at Sephora or at Ulta. And it was just perfect, and it came in clean condition. Let me show you guys real quick. So it has the back, the colors, it's like the same, the logo and everything like that. And then you see the compare price, and you see the price that they gave me at TJ Maxx. I'm gonna I already opened it, but I'm gonna show you guys what it came with and what it exactly looks like. Like, it came with everything. It came with like the little lip palette, so that way, you know, whenever you're mixing colors, you can mix them on this pan. And then, you know, it's hygienic, so you can always like take off like whatever whatever you have of the excess, and you know, whatever colors you want to mix, you can mix them on this little lip palette. And then it comes with, hold on, it comes with like the numbering of the colors, like a cover. And then it came with a plastic screen over, but another plastic screen, but I took that off. But I think for storage and to keep everything clean, I'm gonna save this. And then of course it came with the brush. It came with the brush and everything. Like I don't know if you guys have seen the videos, but wait. I keep dropping everything. Oh my god. Okay, so it came with the little spatula brush. So what you do is whenever you're mixing colors, or you want to know the color, or you already know which color that you're getting, is what I'm saying, or you want to mix colors, you can just grab each of one color, and you know, you can mix it onto this like little palette right here. You grab some of the color, and then you just mix it with the other end of the brush. And it came like literally with everything. And sometimes, you know, at TJ Maxx they dig into everything, and it's just like, it doesn't even make you want to like buy the product, because it's like they've gotten into so much of it and they've messed it up. It's just like that. But this one was like brand new. It wasn't like really touched or anything. So I'm just like really glad that I got my hands on this. And yeah, it's just like another thing part of my kit. And yeah, I'm so excited. It retailed for $24.99 again. You guys can take a look. It's just like the original box that you see. And yeah, that's basically it. And that's all of my goodies that I got from TJ Maxx and from the beauty section. And yeah, let me know if you guys want to see more of these like little mini hauls, or if you do end up getting the dupes of some of the higher end products, like you know, let me know if you end up getting these dupes or whatnot, or if you find some other Anastasia products. I'm pretty sure they're coming, because they're coming up with a lot, guys. When I tell you a lot, they're coming out with shipments at TJ Maxx, like the lip glosses, the liquid lipsticks, the highlights, the contouring powders from Kat Von D. I've still have yet to find one from the contour palettes, because I've been seeing a lot of those too on YouTube. They've been finding those at TJ Maxx for a lesser price, but I just haven't gotten luck with those. Every time I find one, it's like broken. Same thing with the eyeshadow palettes from Kat Von D. They've been coming broken as well, so I haven't gotten to get a nice clean one. So I'm pretty sure I'll find one soon. I don't know when, but yeah. And that's it for this haul, guys. I hope you liked it, and let me know in the comments down below on what else you would like to see. If you would like to see more hauls, more try-ons and whatnot, just let me know. And thank you so much for watching. Sorry guys, it's nighttime and I'm just ready to go to bed and go to sleep. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe. Show this girl some support here, and thank you so much. I hope you had a wonderful week. Tomorrow's Friday, and I hope you enjoy your weekend. Thanks so much. Bye.